Do you want to know how you can update your Remitly app? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily update your Remitly app. Go ahead and install Remitly from the Play Store if you don't have Remitly. For you to update the app, what you need to do is go to the Play Store. Tap on your profile on the right hand side and click on Manage Apps and Devices. If update is there, go ahead and click on See Details. You can see that Remitly has been updated on your phone. Let's go ahead and check if it is really updated. Go to the search bar, search for Remitly, and if there is an update available instead of open, there will be something called update. You can go ahead and click update, and Remitly will be updated in a few seconds or minutes. So guys, this is how easily you can update the Remitly app on your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.